101. Go after someone. Meaning, follow someone.
Example: the policeman tried to go after the thief.
102. Go after something. Meaning, try to achieve something.
Example: I went after my dream and now I am a published writer.
103. Go against someone. Meaning, compete, oppose.
Example: we are going against the best soccer team in the city tonight.
104. Go ahead. Meaning, start, proceed.
Example: please go ahead and eat before the food gets cold.
105. Go back. Meaning, return to a place.
Example: I have to go back home and get my lunch.
106. Go out. Meaning, leave home to go on a social event.
Example: we're going out for dinner tonight.
107. Go out with someone. Meaning, date.
Example: Jesse has been going out with Luke since they met last winter.
108. Go over something. Meaning, review.
Example: please go over your answers before you submit your test.
109. Go over. Meaning, visit someone nearby.
Example: I haven't seen Tina for a long time. I think I'll go over for an hour or two. 110. Go without something. Meaning, suffer lack or deprivation. Example: when I was young, we went without winter boots.